My name is Leor. I founded Same Day Garage Door Services and Repair. We have been using Workiz for the past 2 years. Every day when I wake up, the first thing I do, I open Workiz to get a glance of yesterday results. Typically what I look at is the job statistic. I can find everything that I'm looking for as far as how many jobs we were able to create, how many of them are still in progress, what's our cancellation rate, what's our average ticket, and so on. And then I go to the dashboard, which I can see a glance of pending invoices. I can see a glance of job created, what we have on the board as far as jobs in submitted, in progress, pending. It gives me an overview of where we at the beginning of the day. The features that I like the most in Workiz is actually done pending approval. The reason I like this feature is because it gives us a final review before we are closing the jobs permanently. So we're able to look at them one more time to verify the details of the job, to verify the invoice, to verify the parts, to verify signatures and a bunch of other things before we wrap up the job and move it to done. When I get to the office, typically I meet with our technicians. We have training sessions on a regular basis where we train them for operational stuff like how to use Workiz, how to use the app, how to create estimates, how to convert them into invoices, how to use the price book properly. That's one of the things that is most important for our company. Is at the end of the day, we want to make sure that our customers are happy with the service they have received from end to end, from the moment they called us to the last step, which is providing them an invoice for the job that we did for them. Basically have our customers have a great experience with us.